This 55-inch interactive touchscreen monitor is more than just a display. It's a tool designed to redefine collaboration, teaching, and presentation experiences. Right from the start, the first thing you notice is the massive 55-inch 4K Ultra HD panel. Colors are vivid, text is razor-sharp, and visuals pop with clarity. Every presentation, document, or multimedia file looks polished and professional. Unlike standard monitors or projectors, this device is designed for interaction, not just observation. Running Android 14, it operates like a giant smart tablet. You can open apps, browse the web, annotate PDFs, or mirror devices without any additional equipment. The built-in 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage provide smooth performance, even when multitasking with multiple apps. It's fast, fluid, and responsive, making switching between tasks effortless. The experience feels intuitive and immediate, allowing anyone to step up and start working without a steep learning curve. The touch functionality is precise and satisfying. Multi-touch gestures, pinch to zoom, and handwriting input are smooth, offering an experience that's surprisingly close to writing on paper. Teachers, presenters, and teams benefit from this precision as it allows real-time collaboration and idea sharing. Everyone can participate directly on the board, creating a more engaging and productive environment. It's the kind of responsiveness that transforms a standard room into a creative hub. Connectivity is extensive. HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth are all included, along with wireless casting capabilities. Whether it's a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, sharing your screen happens instantly with no cables or adapters. This feature alone simplifies hybrid meetings, collaborative classrooms, and corporate presentations, where multiple users need to interact with the same content seamlessly. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included wall mount. It provides a secure and stable setup while maintaining a clean, modern look. The design ensures minimal clutter and allows for easy integration into any professional or educational setting. The display remains firm even with frequent touch interactions, giving confidence in both everyday and high-use scenarios. The software interface is thoughtfully designed. The built-in annotation tools are accessible and powerful, offering markers, highlighters, shapes, erasers, and screenshot functions. Moving between applications is quick, so you can switch from a presentation to a video demonstration or web content instantly. The experience encourages fluid workflows, letting teams, instructors, and presenters focus on content rather than technical obstacles. 4K resolution enhances readability and visual fidelity. Text appears crisp, charts are easy to interpret, and videos display with impressive detail. In professional settings, this improves comprehension and engagement. For classrooms, it ensures students see every diagram and visual aid clearly. For corporate environments, presentations look refined and polished, reflecting a modern approach to digital collaboration. Despite its powerful capabilities, the device remains user-friendly. Anyone can walk up and immediately understand how to interact with it. This accessibility is crucial in environments with multiple users, reducing setup time and avoiding interruptions during sessions. It truly combines advanced technology with simplicity. The build quality complements the technology. The frame is robust, the touch panel durable, and the overall finish premium. It feels engineered for long-term use, suitable for classrooms, offices, and conference rooms. It's not just a tool. It's a durable investment in productivity and engagement. In summary, this 55-inch interactive touchscreen monitor is a versatile powerhouse. It replaces multiple devices with a single platform: a digital whiteboard, a smart monitor, a presentation tool, and a collaboration hub. Its 4K display, Android 14 OS, responsive touch, extensive connectivity, and thoughtful design combine to create a device that enhances efficiency, creativity, and communication. For anyone seeking to upgrade their workspace or classroom, this monitor represents a significant leap forward. If you want to buy this 55-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, smartboard 4K display with Android 14, then please visit the link provided in the description.